Hello friends, today's video is recorded in order to give an information for those kids who are going to Canada for their education purpose after class 12th. Now if you are going after class 12th, it's very good, but I came to know about certain people who are getting into a graduation degree or something like that after your second year or third year also. Don't you think you are committing an error which is not feasible with the line of action that you are taking? Because if we consolidate these points, that what was your graduation, what was the degree that you took into Canada, and what kind of job will you be looking after that thing? What I feel is that if I am an employer in Canada, I will be seeking a very intelligent employee who has got his education in line. And if I see a person who has done a BCom from Delhi University, then he opts for an undergraduate course or an undergraduate diploma from Canadian college in order to just arrive into Canada, that एक बार कनाडा पहुंच जाए, बाकी तो हम देख लेंगे, नहीं देखा जाएगा. I'm telling you. Then you people start crying after you're finishing your diploma etc. that we are not getting proper jobs. अरे भाई आपका CV ही proper नहीं है, आप क्या करें? You people say that I have got a graduation degree. Then I did an undergraduate program from Canada, and then I start seeking a job. नहीं मिलेगा. You have spoiled lakhs of rupees of your parents, and you have landed yourself into a trouble. So you have to go to a person who is intelligent enough to help you out how to seek a job after your degree. तो हाउ टू सीक अ जॉब तो बाद में बात है, पहले तो कोर्स तो चुनो ढंग से. व्हेन यू आर थिंकिंग ऑफ गेटिंग अनदर ग्रेजुएशन डिग्री, दैट दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी की डिग्री बहुत नहीं थी, अभी एक और डिग्री चाहिए हमें. ओके, क्या वो सेम लाइन ऑफ एक्शन में है, सेम लाइन ऑफ उसके अंदर है? नहीं. क्या आपके पास उसका प्रॉपर रीज़न है काय को आप क्यों आपने कोर्स चेंज किया? नो. समहाउ यू आर एबल टू फूल द immigration officer, you were able to get this visa, study permit. But after that, उसके बाद क्या होगा? You will be in a board which is heading towards nowhere. That's why the consultant should be intelligent enough. He should not be after the brokerage that the colleges are giving, कि बस भेज दो, तुरंत चला जा, यहाँ चला जा, वहाँ चला जा, बस तू पहुँच जा. आफ्टर दैट what will you do when you get a degree and that degree or a diploma is not feasible enough with your CV? Do you think the people sitting in Canada are fools? They will not consider, they will not give a due diligence to this thing. देते हैं. When we sitting in India can give a critical remark about this thing, the person who will be giving you 2 to 3 lakhs rupees, he will not be critical about this thing. He will be very hugely critical about this thing. So it is my prime advice to the people, whosoever is heading towards Canada or Australia should give a due diligence of what kind of course that you are doing, what kind of CV you will develop after finishing that particular diploma or degree. Is it in tandem with the studies that you have done? It is in tandem with, अच्छा tandem नहीं है, चलो ठीक है मान गए, you change your interest. Do you have got a specific answer for this thing, that why did you change this? ये interest change क्यों आया? You should have a specific reason for this thing. I am seeing so many people who are not getting things done properly. एक मिनट, You should be getting things in. क्या बोल रहा था एक मिनट. I have seen people who are graduating from one side, doing post-graduation diploma from other side. Then when they do not get a job in the relative field, they tend to work in stores and offices like that, and working in a bakery or something like that. Then they ask me, sir, PR नहीं मिल रही, कैसे मिलेगी यार? हैव यू वर्कड इन कैनेडा? हाँ, एक्सपीरियंस है हमारे को, 6 महीने का 1 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है. आई शुड गेट अ PR अकॉर्डिंग टू द रूल्स. भाई NOC कोड कौन सा डालेंगे तुम्हारा? आपकी डिग्री कोई और, वर्क कोई और, स्टोर में काम करके क्या आप NOC कोड ब्रेक इन कर लोगे कि ये वाला कोड है हमारा? नहीं होगा. तो आपका ध्यान अपने कोर्स पे और अपने करियर पे उस तरह से होना चाहिए जिसके अंदर आपने एक प्रॉपर जॉब और प्रॉपर कोर्स चुना है, जिससे कनेडियन गवर्नमेंट सोचे कि हाँ, वी हैव गॉट अ पर्सन हु कैन बी ऑफ ग्रेट हेल्प टू द कनेडियन गवर्नमेंट और कनेडियन लैंड. Then only you will be given a PR. Then only there are so many rules which govern this thing. So it is my advice that you should be contacting me on phone, on email ID, on my mail ID, etc., so that I could help you in choosing a better course or choosing a better path, which will tread you along. If you tread them along, I can guarantee a huge success, which can be yours by just giving a due diligence to whatever you do. It should be in proper line. Bas, that's it. Nothing else is required. You have to be very specific. Do not go to any Tom, Dick and Harry agents, because these people are pushing children into several unwanted courses, and after that they are coming back with no jobs or just killing their time till the work permit ends, and after the work permit they are heading towards India back. So do give a due diligence to this thing. Thanks to all. Have a great future. Thanks to all and have a great future. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel. I will be giving huge advices on this channel. And if you want to talk to me, you have got my email ID, my phone numbers, etc., flashing down there, and you should be giving me a chance so that I could advise you in a proper manner and should have a secured and a bright future. All the best. आया सुमित.